Hey there guys, in this video let's see how to add two numbers in Python. And before that I have already written a blog post on how to add two numbers in Python, and you can find the source code over here and the blog post link is in the description box below, so use it. So I'm just going to Thorny IDE and adding a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2 and adding another variable, that is c is equal to a plus b, and then I'm just printing out the c variable. So what is happening is, so a plus b will be equal to 3 and this 3 will be saved in the c variable. So I'm just entering the f string. So if you don't know what is f string, just go to my blog post and in the search you can type f string and you can learn about the f string in Python. And I'm just entering a plus b is equal to, and I'm entering the variable c inside this, and now I'm printing out this code. So as you could see here that a plus b is equal to 3. So this is how to add two numbers in Python. And if you want the user to input the values, you can just use the input function. So I'm entering value 1, so I will just take out this. So I will just take all these and add value 1 is equal to, and enter input function and ask the user to enter the variable and add integer in front. So we need the values in integer. If you need the values in integer, you can add the integers in front, and if you want the values in float, you can add float in front instead of the integer. Then value 2 is equal to integer input and value 2, enter. And then I'm adding another variable. So the variable will be, let's keep it as value is equal to value 1 plus value 2, and then I'm just printing out the value. So what is happening is the value 1 and the value 2, the user input values will be stored in this particular variable, that is value. And also I'm using the f string and entering value 1 and value 2 is equal to value. I'm just entering the value in the curly brackets and run this program. And you could see that it is asking value 1, enter. So we will add the colon over here and run this program again. So it is asking value 1, enter. So I will enter 23 and let's enter 20. So it will be 43. So it says that value 1 and value 2 is equal to 43. So this is how to add two numbers in Python by the user input values. So that's it for this video guys. So I hope this video helped you a lot, and you can find the blog post in the description box below. So if you like this video, make sure to give a like and subscribe to our channel. See you next video guys.